now. Take a step outside and seize the day now.
We are Nikki and Hayden, the creators behind Journey More. If you haven't been following us recently, we've been staying in unique Airbnbs across the US, as well as filming some pit stops along the way. Look Rock Tower is a stop we made after staying in a World War II train car in Maryville, Tennessee, since it was just a quick drive down the road with gorgeous views of the Smoky Mountains.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah.
You can't actually go up in the tower. As you can see here, it's locked up. And then even if you could get up there to open the hatch, I'm sure it's locked as well. But the observation platform underneath the tower itself gives the most amazing views.
But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah.
We are coming off of the Look Rock Tower trail. It is a beautiful trail, very easy, 0.9 miles, and we really enjoyed it.
Yes, the best part is that it's paved, so you can wear tennis shoes all the way up. The trail is so short and there's not a ton of incline, but it's a great trail.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are coming out with videos every week, and so don't miss out on those. So make sure you come journey more with us, and we'll see you next time.